So, mom asked me this question suddenly: am I quitting YouTube? And even I thought for it for a while. So, vanakkam vandanam suswagatham my lovely people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and I welcome you all back to one another episode of Majestic Vibes. I know it's been a very long time since you guys saw me. It's been around 4 weeks since I uploaded a video. So I thought I should make something for you guys to keep you guys entertained and make sure you won't forget Vicious Tech Vibes. So that is the reason I thought I'll make some video for you guys. And I know it might seem a bit boring for you guys, but I have tried my maximum to keep it in a high level, and I'll make sure I'll bring up new ideas and keep my vlog journey continuing. So here is one for you. So before going into some topic or before talking to you guys about something, I just wanted you guys to know that you wanted to know what I did for all these days, right? It's been around 1 month since I'm at home, and you guys need to know what I'm doing. Actually, I wanted to do something else. I wanted my quarantine days to be like this, but unfortunately ended up like this. So here is a small video that will show you guys how I wanted to be and how I was, and then I'll talk to you guys. Okay? Here it is. time for you guys because all the plans we had throughout the year has been gone. I had a lot of plans in my itinerary to go and visit these people and vlog for you guys. Everything is gone. So mom asked me this question suddenly, am I quitting YouTube? And even I thought for it for a while. Then I asked her, why do you think I'll quit YouTube? YouTube is not my job. It's just the passion I follow. I know that this year is going to be really bad and I'm not going to be able to travel to a lot of places and make videos for you guys. But still, I'll make sure I bring up content that will keep you guys entertained and keep you guys happy. So I'm definitely not going to leave YouTube. Obviously, if I'm not told myself as a travel vlogger. I'm just a normal vlogger who's like into all types of vlogging. So I'll keep you guys entertained in whatever ways I think. So for that question, are you quitting YouTube? It's a definite answer. It's no. I know this has been a really challenging time for us all, and we're all in quarantine for about more than a month. But there are a few positive things I really started thinking since we have been in quarantine. So the first thing is that there are many people in this world who are like stay very far away from your home, especially including me. I stay in a different city, my parents stay in a different city. So when I come back home also, I stay for around 2-3 days. So I don't get that much wonderful experience that being with your parents. So I think after being in quarantine, it's more than a month since I'm at home and I am like full on with my family, full on enjoying, and it's like they're like very happy and I'm happy to see that. The second thing I'm really happy about being in quarantine is I get really amazing food. Chumma food my mom makes, because I'm realizing that after a very long time. I've left this city after college and I went to Bangalore. So I was not able to get all my mom's food so often. So I don't used to miss that. But when I came and started eating here, now I'm like, okay, this was a taste when I was staying with mom. So it's like always like that, no? When you are into something for a very long time, you won't know the taste. So once you have a bit of gap and then come back, you'll know the taste more. So I'm very happy. Second time I'm happy is because of the food. And third thing I have noticed is that many people have started reliving their childhood journey. See, I don't know whether the camera is able to see. Here one. There are many people who are reliving their childhood memories, like flying kites. Around me only I can see around three kites flying around. So that is a very good thing. And the next thing is that every gully, everywhere you look in and around the place, I can see all the families playing badminton. All the uncles and aunties want to do some kind of workout, and the best thing they found out is playing badminton. I can see it in every street here. Every street there are more than 1 or 2 families playing badminton. So yes, you get to spend a lot of quality time with your family, and I think that is a really good plus point of being in quarantine, and I think that is a pretty decent thing. But yeah, there is a downside. The economy is down. You miss all your friends, you miss all your wonderful things you keep doing. I miss my friends a lot. I miss my dance, I miss my football pals, everyone I miss my office, I miss going to office. Yeah, work from home is fun. Work from home is very fun. You always want to work from home, but there are certain issues like the network issues, connectivity issues. So sometimes that gets really, mad, and you feel like getting angry. And also, office is better. मस्त ऑफिस ख़त्म करो, घर जाओ, एंजॉय करो, मतलब ऑफिस ख़त्म करो, जाओ फ्रेंड्स के साथ मस्ती वस्ती करो, खाओ पियो, go home. Yeah, all that is what I miss, but so far so good. So the only thing we guys can do right now is stay home, stay safe. I know the lockdown will be removed in another 4-5 days or 1 more week maximum. So even then, please don't go out, stay at home. Keep yourself sanitized always, have a hand sanitizer always in your hand, don't go too much into social, have a social distancing, and keep ourselves safe and keep enjoying life, because precaution is always better than cure. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will be like a kickstart for my next upcoming vlogging journey. So thank you so much for watching this video. And I also, yesterday was like 2 days back, it was World International Dance Day, and I wanted to do something special, but I couldn't. Hopefully in another few days I'll tell you my journey, why I love so much, why I love dance so much, and what all changes it has brought me into my life. So that will be like upcoming, and I have a few ideas in my mind which I'll try to bring up in front of you guys. So right now I think this is the end for this video. I hope you guys liked those before video also that I did, like how I wanted to be and how I am right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. So until next time, it's Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life, stay home, stay happy, stay safe. Plum.